Hey, good afternoon, everybody. This is Neil with Simpler Trading, and we're going to do the Friday afternoon kind of market update here after a nice week. And you can see that we're going to look at the SPX here this time. Usually trading SPX and kind of ES futures in the room, but looking at the SPX here tonight. And my plan is this. All right, so I've got a case here where it appears that I've got, averages stacked in I'll call this a bullish fashion, 10s above 20s above 50, and I've got a recent retracement into the averages that's holding the reversion to the mean or the 20 EMA here. And so with that, what I like here is the fact that it looks, for now at least, it looks right now, that's all I can work with, that we've gotten a low here that was rejected on an excess and reversed decisively back to the top of this candle. So then yesterday, Thursday, we got the breach of the top of that to mark the trigger mechanism to kind of send us potentially anyway for the move back up. So with that, okay, I measured the top of the recent move to the bottom of the break, and I see that we're at in ES terms, this was 59.77. In the SPX, I don't know the exact price, it's probably about 60 something, is a 618 retrace of this break, right? So we're pressing now back slightly beyond, but beyond. I mean, it's, let's see, 70, 97. It's about 20 points back is the 618 retrace, right? So we're about 20 points beyond that. And so it looks like it's pretty effectively kind of handling the fib levels as far as, what could have been resistance on the way back up. Firmly, decisively back above the 382, all the way back into the 618. Next would be slightly a little bit higher, would be a 764, 887, and then a new high. So what is a new high? And that's going to be my target. I like, in SPX terms up here, here's what I like. I like if we get a chance to buy any little pullback, I'll just say, because I always like, a little better early next week with Bitcoin pressing 100 grand, maybe it kind of pulls back. If it pulls back, market's pulling back, that sort of thing. NVIDIA looks like it's got some room to maybe pull back. I think 135 is the number to be looking at long NVIDIA. It's 142 today, so that's $7. If it pulls back $7, we're going to get a little bit of pullback. So with that, I look at about 59.25 SPX. As like I would want to see that hold as support right about there, and start to work its way back up. And so I'm working the idea that I'm trying to get some 60.50, and you can see labeled here on the screen, that's the top of the December 31 quarterly JPM collar trade at 60.50 up there. That's their short strike. Just look at the options chain, you'll see them on the December 31 quarterlies. And so what I'm trying to do is buy dip back into what I'm going to ask that be support, 59.25 SPX, and over the course of the next few weeks or whatever, we get into December, and I'm looking for this thing up and I'm trying to target that, right? So it would be better, right? Call debits, put credits, butterflies, whatever you want to do to target this up here. Obviously, it's going to be a little cheaper and better if we can get it on a little retrace, and so that's essentially what I'm trying to get done there. Okay, so listen, hope this helps and makes sense, and look forward to being with you again at the next update. Till then, good trading.
Without Simpler Trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me